Hey guys! What if you want to impress upon someone, a crush, a potential employer or a client, that you are a person of respect? How do you do that? Well, if you're game, let's discuss how to manifest respect so you could charm your way to everyone's hearts and minds. Basically, there are 4 steps: self-respect, empathy, communication, and leading by example. Sounds easy? Yes, we can all do it. In this video, we shall explore the first step, cultivating self-respect. Are you ready? Yes, folks, it's a process, and it all begins with how we treat ourselves. Practice self-care, set boundaries, and honor your values. When you respect yourself, others are more likely to follow suit. Self-care. Yes, self-care is the ultimate act of self-love. Treat yourself like royalty, whether it's indulging in a gourmet dinner at a plush hotel, reading your favorite book on a quiet weekend, or singing your hearts out like nobody's listening. Then, set boundaries. They are the guardian angels of your well-being. Know when to say yes, when to say no, and when to say heck yeah. Setting boundaries isn't about building walls. It's about creating safe spaces where your light can shine brightest. It may also mean walking away from people who cross your boundaries and try to dim your light. Lastly, honor your values. Start by deciding what values truly matter to you, and let these values guide your decisions and actions like a moral compass. Set how far you can compromise and stick by your own standards. That's all. But wait, there's more. Embrace your strengths, the secret sauce of self-confidence. Take inventory of your talents, skills, and unique qualities. You're a force to be reckoned with, so respect yourself. Be proud, but never arrogant. Forgive yourself, the greatest act of kindness. We're all human, prone to making mistakes and taking detours on this wild journey called life. So cut yourself some slack, learn from your mistakes, and move on. Accept yourself, improve yourself. Then, cultivate a growth mindset, the green thumb of personal development. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Learn from setbacks and celebrate progress, no matter how small. Remember, self-respect isn't a destination. It's a lifelong adventure filled with twists, turns, and a whole lot of self-love. Really, it's all for now. Watch out for our upcoming videos as we explore the next 3 steps on how to manifest respect. See you!